Hi, Gano Excel family. Very soon, we will experience a historical moment. The Great Gano Excel Gano IPAS 2025 Convention in Central and South America. Throughout our history, we have shared unforgettable experience. But this year, we will go one step further. We will meet on one stage in one heart to continue building our legacy. This event will be a unique opportunity to grow, learn, and connect with leaders across the region. This is the time to strengthen our visions and prepare for a future without limits. If you have ever dreamed of transforming your life and that of others, this is your moment. This will not just be an event. It will be the beginnings of a new era for all of us. Are you ready to be part of this great moment and leave your marks? I invite you to live this experience alongside thousands of people who, like you, are building their future with Gano Excel. You can't miss it. See you at the Gano Excel Gano IPAS 2025 Convention. Building Legacy.